Now we discuss about extraction of aluminium. In the extraction of aluminium, we take graphite anode in the form of carbon. Cathode is graphite as well, and the electrolyte is ore of aluminium, that is bauxite ore in molten state. So we take molten bauxite ore with formula Al2O3 in order to decrease melting point of bauxite ore. इसमें बच्चा आप ऐड करते हो cryolite, that is Na3AlF6. These both are the ores of aluminium, but cryolite is mixed with bauxite ore just to decrease the melting point of bauxite, which is normally 2000 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. तो अच्छा आपने इसको ऐड किया ताकि इसकी कॉस्ट कम हो जाए, मेथड बिकम चीप. द डायग्राम फॉर द रिएक्शन इज outer body consists of steel container having small hole in it at the bottom, and inside this we attached graphite that consists of carbon, also called graphite, act as cathode connected by the negative terminal of battery. And anodes are the graphite rods. They are the graphite rods, again consist of carbon. This is your anode connected by the positive terminal of battery, and these graphite anodes are hanging perpendicularly in the container. When you fill molten electrolyte of bauxite and cryolite. Now we draw the label diagram here. So that outer body consists of steel container, and the inner part, that base consists of graphite cathode. Anode also consists of graphite anode, and electrolyte is molten bauxite along with cryolite in small amount. And during the reaction, when reaction take place, molten aluminium will form in the pure state, that will settles down at the bottom of container and can be separated. So this is your pure aluminium is separated at the bottom. Due to its high density, it will fall down at the bottom of container. So this is your label diagram. Aluminium is extracted from the bottom of this container. Some reactions take place during the electrolysis. First one, the molten bauxite ore Al2O3 ionizes to form aluminium ions and oxide ions. First part of ionic compound should be positive, second part should be negative. The 3 with oxygen moves to aluminium, you got Al plus 3 ions, and 2 with aluminium moves to oxygen. अगर इन्हें बैलेंस करते हैं, you got 2 aluminium and 3 oxygens. This is the ionization of molten bauxite ore. During the process, the reaction proceed at anode and cathode. Anode is the positive terminal and cathode is the negative terminal that contain negative charge. All the negative ion moves to anode, where they lose electron to form oxygen by the loss of 2 electrons, but oxygen exists in the form of diatomic state. तो आप इसको बैलेंस करोगे, multiplying with 2 here and 2 oxide ion losing 4 electrons. At cathode, aluminium ions moves to cathode because they are positive, attracted towards negative cathode, and reduction take place, they gain electron to form aluminium. This aluminium sink down at the bottom and collected from the hole at the bottom of this container or this cell. Now the problem during the electrolysis, oxygen forms at anode. These anode rod consist of graphite, so the graphite rods react with oxygen that produce at anode and consume the anode in the form of carbon dioxide. So we are going to change periodically these graphite rods because they are converting into carbon dioxide. In order to prepare aluminium, we should replace graphite rods periodically. So we write graphite rods are periodically changed due to formation of carbon dioxide. That's why this method is much expensive to extract aluminium.